My name is Amado Cruz, and you might be asking yourself, is ChatGPT free to use? Yes, ChatGPT offers free access to its basic features. So, if you go to chat.openai.com, you can begin asking ChatGPT anything you want. Begin using it without even creating an account. So, here for example, if I ask it to create a short story, ChatGPT replies using one of its most powerful models, ChatGPT 4o Mini, which in my personal experience works a ton better than the previous ChatGPT 3.5. And because of this, now anyone can start interacting and using ChatGPT without any initial cost or sign up. So you can try it for yourself. Try it for your use cases, see if it makes sense to sign up for a free account, or eventually even upgrading to a paid plan. Obviously, the free plan has some limitations just like any other product. So here I'm on the ChatGPT pricing page. On the personal side, you have three options: free, plus, or pro. So the free plan includes GPT 4o Mini and limited access to GPT 4.5. It also has limited access to advanced data analysis, file uploads, multimodal capabilities such as vision, web browsing or searching the internet, and also custom GPTs. In my opinion, it's a generous plan in the sense that you get access to GPT 4o Mini, which is quite powerful and more than enough for most use cases. But access is limited when it comes to other features. Now, the Plus plan is $20 per month. You get access to deep research, multiple reasoning models such as O3 Mini, O3 Mini High, and 01, and a research preview of GPT 4.5. You can also create and use tasks, projects, and custom GPTs. You also have limited access to Sora video generation. In my opinion, the most important thing here is the web browsing and file uploads, because I'll often have ChatGPT search the internet and make sure that the information it's providing me is accurate and up to date. It also includes image generation and being able to have an unlimited number of custom GPTs. Then there's also ChatGPT Pro. It provides unlimited access to all the reasoning models and GPT-4o, unlimited access to advanced voice, extended access to deep research, which conducts multi-step online research for complex tasks, access to research previews of GPT 4.5 and Operator, access to O1 Pro model, which uses more compute for the best answers to the hardest questions, and extended access to Sora video generation. Now, if you're looking to use ChatGPT for your workplace or business, there's a team plan, which consists of $25 per person per month and includes higher limits for all of these features, as well as creating and sharing GPTs just within your own team, as well as an admin console for managing the workspace. And also, your team's data is excluded from training by default, which is an important concern for businesses. Now, if you're asking what I personally subscribe to, I subscribe to the Plus plan, which is $20 per month. I really like being able to do advanced data analysis, file uploads, and web browsing. I think out of everything listed here, those are the top three features in addition to access to GPT-4o. For your needs though, I would consider how frequently you're using ChatGPT or the other models. If you're using ChatGPT frequently, almost every day for important tasks related to work, whether it's research, content creation, data analysis, whatever it is, I think it's well worth it. It's the cost of a Netflix subscription or a few cups of coffee per month. And the amount of time it saves and the productivity boost from using ChatGPT, it helps you get unstuck by constantly brainstorming ideas, being your collaborative partner. I think it's well worth it for that price. But if you're not sure yet about spending $20 per month, then stick to the free plan until you incorporate the use of AI more regularly. Again, you still get access to really high quality models such as GPT 4o Mini, and you can jump back and forth between ChatGPT and other providers. For example, Perplexity.ai also offers a free plan where you get unlimited quick searches and 5 pro searches per day. Anthropic's Claude also offers a free plan where you can talk to Claude on the web, iOS or Android, and limited access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Again, my name is Amado Cruz. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thank you.